You won't believe what okra can do to your body. Ever wondered what this slimy yet nutrient-packed vegetable can do for your body? Well, get ready to be amazed as we dive into the world of okra. Have you ever questioned why okra is often overlooked in the produce aisle? Or pondered its potential health benefits beyond its unique texture? Join us as we answer these burning questions and more. In this video, we'll explore the incredible health benefits of okra, from blood sugar regulation to heart health and digestion. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of this humble green pod? Alright, let's dive into the world of okra, nature's own slimy, yet surprisingly nutritious, veggie superhero. Picture okra as that quirky friend who's always loaded with interesting facts. It's packed with vitamin C, the go-to nutrient for fending off those pesky colds, making your immune system as robust as a knight in shining armor. Then there's vitamin K, a real unsung hero, essential for your blood to clot like it's supposed to. Pretty handy, right? But wait, there's more. Okra is also flaunting its magnesium content, which is like a chill pill for your muscles and nerves, keeping them relaxed and happy. And let's not forget about fiber, oh glorious fiber. It not only keeps things moving smoothly in the digestive department, but also plays matchmaker by making you feel full and satisfied, helping you and those pesky cravings keep a healthy distance from each other. So, in a nutshell, okra might just be the most eccentric, nutrient-packed buddy your body didn't know it needed. Who knew this slimy green could be such a powerhouse of health? Now let's explore the incredible health benefits of okra. Benefit number 1. Blood sugar regulation. Alright, let's talk about how okra can be your blood sugar's best buddy. You see, this funky little veggie is armed with a double dose of goodness, fiber and miracetin. Fiber is like the unsung hero of the digestive world, keeping things running smoothly and preventing those blood sugar roller coasters. And then there's miracetin, a bit of a tongue twister, but a real champ when it comes to regulating glucose levels. Together, they form a dynamic duo, swooping in to save the day for folks battling diabetes. By slowing down the absorption of sugar in your bloodstream, okra helps keep those pesky spikes and crashes at bay. So, next time you're whipping up a stir-fry or tossing together a salad, remember that okra isn't just a quirky addition to your meal, it's a superhero fighting the good fight against blood sugar woes. Benefit number 2. Heart health hero. Okra isn't just another veggie in the produce aisle. Think of it as the Cape Crusader for your heart. This green hero comes packed with a powerful punch of fiber, which isn't just great for keeping things moving, it's like a sponge for cholesterol, soaking it up and carrying it away before it can cause mischief in your arteries. But wait, there's more. Okra is also loaded with antioxidants, those magical molecules that wage war on the free radicals trying to wreak havoc in your body. So, what does all this mean for your ticker? With okra in your diet, you're helping to keep those cholesterol levels in check, which is a big deal for keeping your heart pumping like a well-oiled machine. Plus, the antioxidant action helps protect against heart disease by keeping inflammation at bay. It's like having your own personal heart health hero on your plate, ready to defend against the bad guys and keep your cardiovascular kingdom safe. Benefit number 3. Digestive health and weight loss. Okra steps into the spotlight not just as a veggie, but as a digestive wizard and a weight loss ally. Picture this. Every bite of okra is packed with fiber, the unsung hero of the digestive tract. This isn't just any fiber. It's like a mini workout session for your intestines, keeping everything moving smoothly and preventing the dreaded traffic jam known as constipation. But the magic doesn't stop there. Thanks to its low-calorie profile and high-fiber content, okra is also the sidekick you didn't know you needed in your weight loss journey. It's like having a secret weapon that helps you feel fuller for longer, cutting down on the urge to snack and making portion control more manageable. Imagine munching on okra and feeling satisfied with fewer calories. It's the dietary dream team for anyone looking to shed some pounds. So, in the grand tale of health and wellness, okra plays a dual role: the protector of digestive peace and the gentle guide towards weight loss. It's a humble veggie with superpowers, making it a must-have in the quest for a happier, healthier you. Benefit number 4. Cancer-fighting properties. Okra might just be the unsung hero in the epic battle against cancer. Picture this green warrior, armed with antioxidants like quercetin and catechins, diving into the fray against cancer cells. It's like having tiny, powerful soldiers in your body, waging war on those rogue cells that threaten peace in the realm of health. Research is starting to paint a picture of okra not just as a side dish, but as a valiant fighter in the quest to combat cancer. These antioxidants aren't just any foot soldiers. They're elite, with the potential to disrupt the nefarious plans of cancer cells, preventing them from multiplying and spreading their chaos. While it's not a magic cure-all, incorporating okra into your diet is akin to bolstering your body's defenses with extra troops. It's a delicious, nutritious way to support your body's ongoing battle for health. So, next time you're planning your meals, think of adding some okra to the mix, not just for its taste, but for its cancer-fighting potential. Who knew such a humble vegetable could be such a powerhouse in the fight for a healthier life? Benefit number 5. Boost to the immune system. Dive into the world of okra, and you'll find it's like having a personal bodyguard for your immune system. Thanks to its high vitamin C content and a cocktail of mighty antioxidants, okra doesn't just sit back and watch, it actively fortifies your body's defenses. Imagine vitamin C as your immune system's coach, rallying the troops and boosting their morale to fight off those pesky invaders like colds and infections. But okra's resume doesn't stop at vitamin C. It's also packed with other antioxidants, each like a specialist in the art of defense, working together to shield your body from harmful free radicals. These free radicals are like the villains of the body, sneaking around and causing chaos, but okra's antioxidants are the superheroes swooping in to save the day. Incorporating okra into your diet is like enrolling in a top-tier security program for your health. It's a simple, tasty way to give your immune system the backup it needs. So next time you're browsing the vegetable aisle, give okra the nod of recognition it deserves. It's not just a side dish, it's a sidekick for your health, ready to boost your immune system and keep you in fighting form. Benefit number 6. Skin and eye health. When it comes to keeping your skin glowing and your eyes sparkling, okra pulls double duty as a nutritional powerhouse. Picture vitamin C in okra as your skin's personal trainer, working tirelessly to maintain its youthful elasticity and fend off those unwanted wrinkles. With each crunchy bite of okra, you're giving your skin a dose of this essential vitamin, ensuring it stays radiant and smooth. But that's not all. Okra also brings vitamin A to the table, acting as a guardian for your precious peepers. Vitamin A is like the superhero of eye health, swooping in to protect your vision and keep those retinas in top shape. Whether you're peering at screens all day or soaking in the sun's rays, okra's got your back, ensuring your eyes stay clear and focused. So, next time you're whipping up a meal, don't forget to invite okra to the party. It's not just a tasty addition to your plate. It's your skin's best friend and your eye's loyal protector, working behind the scenes to keep you looking and seeing your best. Benefit number 7. Improved bone strength. Imagine your bones throwing a party, and guess who's on the guest list? That's right, okra. With its secret weapon, vitamin K, okra swoops in to ensure your bones are the life of the party. Vitamin K isn't just any ordinary nutrient. It's like the superhero of bone health, boosting calcium absorption and keeping those bones strong and sturdy. So, while you're sipping on your okra-infused smoothie or munching on some crispy okra fries, know that you're not just enjoying a tasty treat, you're giving your bones a much-needed boost. With okra by your side, you can strut your stuff with confidence, knowing that your bones are as strong as steel and ready to take on whatever life throws their way. Cheers to stronger bones and a healthier you, all thanks to the mighty okra. Benefit number 8. Better vision support. Picture this. Your eyes, like tiny superheroes, donning their capes and shields, ready to take on the villains of vision problems. And guess who hands them their gear? None other than the humble okra. Packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, the dynamic duo of eye health, okra swoops in to save the day. These antioxidants aren't just fancy words. They're like your eye's personal bodyguards, shielding them from the harmful effects of blue light and reducing the risk of dreaded villains like macular degeneration. So, the next time you're munching on some okra, know that you're not just treating your taste buds, you're giving your eyes the superhero treatment they deserve. Here's to clearer vision and healthier eyes, all thanks to the incredible powers of okra. Benefit number 9. Natural Detoxifier. Say hello to your body's very own detox superhero, okra. With its slimy yet oh so powerful mucilaginous content, okra works wonders in flushing out toxins from your system. It's like having a tiny cleanup crew inside you, ensuring that all the nasties are rounded up and kicked out. By munching on some okra, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, you're giving your liver, your body's ultimate detox organ, a helping hand. So, the next time you're looking to give your body a little spring cleaning, reach for some okra and let nature's detoxifier work its magic. Here's to a cleaner, healthier you, all thanks to the incredible powers of okra. Benefit number 10. Supports fertility and healthy pregnancy. Okra isn't just a delicious addition to your plate, it's also a fertility and pregnancy powerhouse. Packed with folate, okra is like a little fertility booster, ensuring that mom and baby get all the essential nutrients they need for a healthy journey from conception to birth. For expecting moms, folate is a must-have nutrient, helping prevent birth defects and ensuring a smooth pregnancy. So, whether you're planning to start a family or already on the baby bump journey, don't forget to add some okra to your diet. Your body and your future little one will thank you for it. When diving into the world of okra, it's essential to tread lightly, especially if you're not used to its high fiber content. Some folks might experience digestive discomfort initially, but fear not. Simply start with small servings and gradually increase as your stomach gets accustomed to it. Also, if you're managing your blood sugar levels with medication, keep an eye on them when introducing okra into your diet. Its blood sugar lowering prowess might require a tweak in your dosage, so consult your healthcare provider to avoid any unexpected dips or spikes. Remember, with okra, a little goes a long way, so savor its benefits in moderation. Now let's set the record straight about okra, shall we? First off, it's time to debunk the myth that okra is a tough nut to crack in the kitchen. Sure, its unique texture might throw some folks off, but with a little know-how, it's a breeze to prepare. From frying and grilling to tossing it into soups and stews, okra is as versatile as they come. And forget about it being limited to specific cuisines or dishes. Whether you're whipping up a hearty gumbo, a zesty stir-fry, or even a refreshing salad, okra fits right in, adding its distinct flavor and health benefits to any culinary creation. So let go of those misconceptions and embrace the endless possibilities of this humble green pod. It's time to give okra the recognition it deserves. From blood sugar regulation to heart health, digestion, and beyond, this unassuming veggie packs a serious punch when it comes to promoting overall well-being. So why not give it a try? With its rich nutritional profile and versatility in the kitchen, adding okra to your diet could be the tasty and beneficial boost you've been looking for. Whether you fry it up Southern style or toss it into a spicy curry, the health benefits of okra are undeniable. So go ahead, grab some okra, and let its goodness work its magic on your body and taste buds. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep thriving.